Alright guys, today we'll be testing the Wheelock HS, better known as the Wheelock Exceeder. This is actually my first snappy alarm. The terminals are actually in here, and it connects to the alarm itself with contacts on the back. So, in 3, 2, 1... Right now it's set to 15 candela on code 3 low. It sounds just like the NS. So yeah, that's it. And for the pole station part of the test, we'll be using a Firelight BG12. Now the difference between this and my other one is, this is actually the newer generation. The letters are a little bit thicker here, whereas on the older generation, they're a little bit thinner. Also, if you open it up, can't do this one-handed, it says SSD, and if you open up the BG12L, the older generation, this is the pre-Honeywell version. It says Pitway Direct something, meaning it's well, it says PDI, but it's Pitway. So, to waste no more time, here we go. 3, 2, 1. It says activated. I can now open this thing up, flip up the switch, and I'm done. Or, I can just shut it. Easy as that. Anyways, that's it.